Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're a fan of experimenting with lash styles at home, the ALASH Lash Clusters Kit might be just what you've been looking for. This kit promises to give you the tools to create stunning, voluminous lashes without the hassle of going to a salon. Let's dive into whether it really lives up to the hype. The ALASH Lash Clusters Kit includes a generous set of 320 individual lashes in 30D and 40D, ranging from 9mm to 16mm in length. It also comes with a lash bond and seal, lash remover, and a lash applicator tool. The idea here is to provide everything you need to create a customized lash look, all in the comfort of your own home. The lashes themselves are soft to the touch, offering a comfortable wear, and they're designed to be easy to apply, even for those who are new to lash extensions. The bond and seal in this kit is formulated to be gentle and non-irritating, so you don't have to worry about harmful chemicals near your eyes. The waterproof formula also promises to keep your lashes looking flawless for up to 72 hours. This is great for those who want long-lasting, dramatic lashes without the maintenance of frequent touch-ups. In terms of application, the process is pretty straightforward. First, you curl your natural lashes and brush them with the lash glue. Then, you use the included tweezers to apply the lash clusters under your natural lashes. The kit also includes a lash sealant, which you can brush over the clusters for extra hold. This process might take a bit of practice if you're new to applying lash extensions, but it's definitely doable with a little patience. One of the big pros of this kit is the versatility it offers. You can mix and match the 320 lashes to create your own unique style, which gives you the freedom to experiment. Plus, the idea of being able to create lash extensions at home without the high salon price tag is a huge bonus. No more booking appointments or waiting for hours at the salon. This kit allows you to do it all yourself at your own pace. However, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. While the lashes are soft and comfortable, they may not be as lightweight as professional extensions. If you're used to salon-quality lashes, you might notice a difference in weight or feel. Additionally, the application process can take some practice, especially for beginners. But once you get the hang of it, you'll likely appreciate the convenience of doing it yourself. When it comes to value for money, this kit certainly offers a lot of lashes for the price. At first glance, the cost may seem a bit steep, but when you consider how many individual lashes you get and how much you can save by doing your own extensions, it's a worthwhile investment. Plus, the bond and seal are designed to last for several days, which means you're getting a solid amount of wear from each application. Comparing this to other at-home lash extension kits, ALASH stands out for the number of lashes included in the kit, as well as the inclusion of a lash remover and applicator tool. This makes the whole process smoother and less messy. Some other kits may not come with these accessories, so it's nice to see ALASH thought of everything you need. In terms of build quality, the lashes themselves feel durable, and the applicator tool is easy to handle. The packaging is also sturdy, which means you don't have to worry about losing any components. As for longevity, the lashes and the bond should last for several days. But like with any lash extension, you'll want to make sure you care for them properly to maximize wear time. So who is this kit best suited for? If you're someone who enjoys experimenting with different lash looks, or if you're trying to save money by doing lash extensions at home, this kit is a great option. It offers flexibility, affordability, and quality that can rival salon treatments. However, if you're a beginner or you prefer a lighter, more natural look, this might require a bit of trial and error before you find your ideal style. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. If you've used this kit, drop a comment below. Let us know how it worked for you, or if you have any tips for applying lash clusters.